challenges or opportunities. The UK's automotive aftermarket is building day by day, and that makes training events and networking opportunities vital. Anything that could bring garage owners together to discuss the industry and leave them with key industry information has to be worth attending. That's why I'm here today at Shaily Motor Company in Colchester with ALLDATA and Opus IVS to find out more about their workshop takeover event.
I think it's gone magnificently, yeah. We've got loads of people attending. We've had some great speakers. It's been a great atmosphere in the room. So the whole premise was to bring a set of events which are more local, away from the sort of more recognised exhibition centres, where people didn't have to travel quite so far to come and benefit from what the speakers have got to say. So we're here in Essex today. We're going to be up in the Manchester area in about a month's time, and we'll have a couple more events later in the year, again regionally focused, to be able to speak to some more garages who maybe don't normally get to come and see and listen. There's so much more to be gained by being with a group of companies, a group of partnering companies, and Net in Marketing has done a fabulous job to gather those companies together. And for a visiting garage, there's 3 or 4 things which are of interest, all a bit different. We've got HR, we've got EVs, we've got the diagnostic method and technique. So there's something for everyone to learn from today, and that draws the number of people to the event.
Putting an event on for the first time, we were all slightly nervous in terms of kind of putting something on like this. But you can see from the lineup today and the attendance today, it's been very well received from the aftermarket as a whole. I believe people have travelled quite a way to be here today, which is great. It's good to get people in the same room that are like-minded and want to push their businesses forward. And hopefully we've put an event on today that gives them some information, some golden nuggets to take away and implement in their kind of day-to-day working lives in their business. What we tried to do with this event is not make it about one person, which if you put certain events on as a company, it tends to come across like you're trying to pitch a product or a service to that. And we really wanted to give people some takeaways to come to the event, take time out of their weekend, so Saturday, it's a whole Saturday event, and put on an event that people would come to and actually take stuff away from. So I think we've achieved that today.
It's great, yeah. It's just seeing people working and talking and sharing ideas. It's been a brilliant day. I think the industry needs to share the good things that it does with other garage owners and technicians. I really do believe that collaboration is more powerful than competition. And I think there's lots of good work out there for us guys. We need to be doing it properly, and we need to be working together to raise standards and obviously pass that message on to the consumer.
It's really interesting to see mechanics and technicians alike coming together to learn, build their knowledge, build a community around the industry as well. It's not something that we see that much of, which I think is really positive. That it is changing, that people are leaning into their knowledge and they're sharing knowledge, and these kind of skills workshops are really important for that, especially as for us remanufacturers in the industry. Knowledge sharing is a key part of that, so being part of that and making these guys know and these garages know that we're available to support them as well is really important.